There's a popular myth that, outside of sports cars and exotics, all modern cars are essentially the same. Believers claim that quality, safety, and equipment levels have reached a plateau that makes the differences between a Honda and a Hyundai somewhat moot. It's a simplified view of the world, kind of like those early grade school report cards where you were satisfactory at best or needed improvement at worst, but either way, everyone was moving on to the next grade. In recent years, the automotive compact class has advanced into a fleet of mini midsizers. Almost universally, these cars have grown in interior dimensions, inherited upscale features, and adopted prices that top out north of $30,000. But we don't buy into the notion that similarity means homogeneity.